In this video, we're going to review changing the IoT port settings to a static IP address. Now listen, this sounds simple enough at first. You must follow these steps. If you are not careful, you might end up at the troubleshooting video before you know it. Not a time for slacking. Let's get back into the web server. From here, let's go and we're going to change the network settings for the IoT port. Click on Parameter. The IoT port here is called out as BR0 currently. If you want the IoT port to be a static IP address, you need to be very careful here. The settings for that are right here, IPv4. You need to make sure that you go here and select static and right. If you forget to do static and do DHCP instead and assign this port a static IP address, but it's still in DHCP mode, we're gonna have trouble connecting back to the web server. So be very careful if we're changing this and we need it to be a static IP. We need to make this mode change right with the pen. You won't get a response back, and maybe click it twice. Um, we can put in a gateway here if you have a specific one that you need, or we can just leave this blank. I saw no issues between writing or not writing to this field. And once we have the mode in static, now we can come here and we can fill in, for instance, 192.168.0.100, a subnet mask, and you'll see at the top there's a single pencil here that writes all the parameter settings under address 0 only for you. Please scroll down here, and the next thing you might want to try would be to change the network settings for the field bus. However, because the IoT port and the field bus connections are separate for security reasons, you'll see that they are grayed out here for that field bus. Keep in mind after making these changes to the IoT port that our network adapter for your PC is still set up for obtain an IP address automatically or DHCP. You will need to go back and update your network to be a static IP within that range that you have set. Anytime we make a change to the network settings of the master, it is best practice to cycle power and then confirm that the changes have been made.